guys, today is something different. I am going to show you my new sewing room that was my daughter's bedroom. It's kind of small, but not too bad. It's enough for me. It does have a queen size bed in it, and I thought about taking out the bed, but I think it's good for checking out the sizes of quilts or whatever I need to make. So let's begin. All right, so I turned on all the lights because I want to show you how bright it is. Without these lights, this room is dark. There's only one window, and I did put some curtains up just to help. The blinds are broke, but anyway. So this is the entranceway. And then as we go to the left, you can see that's a wedding dress that I'm going to recycle and make into the angel gowns that I'm working on. Over here is my first sewing machine. I put that table there so that when I'm sewing, I can put whatever I'm sewing to the left, so it can, you know, drape on the left side. This is a Singer sewing machine. I forgot the what kind it is, but it's, I believe, 80s, maybe 90s. I don't remember. I don't think it's 80s. It might be 2000s. I don't know. But I like this sewing machine. In this sewing machine, I have cotton thread, as opposed to the other machine that somebody gave me for free. I have polyester thread in this. So if I want to work with cotton, I just go to this sewing machine, as opposed, you know, for polyester, I go to this. So my little station here between the two machines is, my goal for that is to be able to use the items in either station that I sit. So if I'm sitting here, I could just put my trash here, or grab, you know, a marker or a pen here that I need, or, you know, anything here. And then if I'm sitting here, I can still grab it. So that's why I have it in the middle here. This is a sewing machine that I'm fixing for a friend down the street. So look for that video in the future. I like to repurpose things. This particular shelf somebody was giving for free. It's actually the top, I don't know if it's the top of a desk or the top of a twin headboard. I'm not sure. But I just put my books and, you know, things. I didn't clutter it up too much, but there's a few things there. Everybody has to have buttons, right? I might give those away. I really don't use the buttons. But I have my ironing station here. It's pretty small, but that's what I need in this particular area. If I want to iron something big, I'll just go to my laundry room down the hallway. But I like this tabletop setup for myself. There's one of my doggies. He's taking a nap here. So this station here is, you know, just basic supplies, my ironing supplies on the top. And then I need to not reorganize, but relabel these. But I got my bias and my zippers, which I need to practice zippers. But, you know, just a few things here. I got my hand sewing items and some random fat quarters there. I like this lamp because I can just, you know, tap it on and tap it off. I know that was corny, but I like it. I have my pillows here, and then I have my fall and my Christmas fabric. This is all I have. And if it doesn't fit in these bins, I take something out and give it away, because if I were to keep everything that was given to me, I would just have too much stuff. So if somebody gives me something, in order to keep it, I take something away. That's one of my, I don't know what you call that, rules of my life. Like this cabinet, I can't really show you all of it, but believe it or not, behind this cabinet attached is an ironing board, which is kind of neat. But I have some, this is where I keep my panels, and, or, you know, my UFOs also. But mostly it's panels, and if it doesn't fit in this cabinet, I have to give it away. Like, if somebody gives me a panel, I'll take a panel away. So if it doesn't fit, I don't take it. I have my fleece here, and then a little bit of quilting batting, but mostly it's quilted batting, if that makes any sense. If it doesn't fit, I don't put it in there. And once in a while, I go through my bins and just donate what does not. I don't know how to explain it, but if it doesn't make me happy or just like excite me, I get rid of it. So if it doesn't fit in the bin, I don't keep it. And then this is one of my other doggies. She's supervising today. Yeah, she's very tired. Hey girl, you okay? And in this corner, I have my yarn, and my rule for my yarn is if it doesn't fit in this plastic thing, then I donate it. So if somebody gives me yarn, I go through my yarn and I donate what does not make me, you know, excited or whatever. I know those are saying, you know, if it doesn't give you happiness, you know, give it away. But I kind of do that. But if I like the yarn, I'm going to keep it. I mostly like thick yarn. So that's my yarn, and that's all I have. I have batting in this, as well as some cotton to like stuff pillows. This particular bin is my UFOs. Over here we have, I put a laundry basket on top of a plastic dresser. This is my material for my angel gown project. I have satin and just basically white. And then there's a little bit of cotton in here, but I keep it all in this bin. I have 3 dresser thingies, and that is all the fabric here. I do have fabric in my closet, but that fabric is for upholstery. But this is all cotton. This right here, this is my clothing bin. I only have one clothing bin. If it doesn't fit in this, I don't keep it. And if somebody gives me clothing fabric, I go through it and then get rid of what I don't want. Moving on to the cutting area. Sorry. I have my rulers down here so they're out of the way and I know where they're at. And my ribbon, lace. And then I took a crate and just made like a station, and I put the stuff that I use the most in the front. So, and then I have a lot of lace, and I use the lace a lot for the angel gowns. I'm actually, I have to fix this one because one of the sleeves is, you know, I have to fix it right here, and then one of the sleeves is longer than the other one. I don't know how that happened. And every sewing room should always have a trash can and a fan, because believe it or not, I get hot a lot. So I turn my fan on. It's little, it's compact, it's good for me. That's a very short tour of my sewing room. I've tried to learn how to not be minimalistic, but more of like a functional, like, does it serve a function? Like for example, the buttons, yeah, they look nice. Somebody gave them to me. They were free. I didn't put any effort in buying them, but I don't use those, you know, so I'm going to give those away. I just try to keep my space clean, because somebody that has ADHD, such as myself, When we see clutter, it makes people, it makes you anxious. Am I right or wrong? So thank you for watching, and look for another video soon on the repair. I don't know if it's a repair or just maintenance of a Janome sewing machine. And I hope everyone has a great day. Thanks for watching.